wait to exit the door, and then as soon as possible, drop the box and go over to the right before the Bob-omb gets down there. So the Bob-omb goes on our heads and not vice versa. And then we can get small and do either a jump off of the Bob-omb or a duck charge jump. Be high enough and be short enough to get in there. Okay. Well, wall jump does it, because charge jump does not. Voila! Okay, that one, not a wonderful puzzle, but definitely a puzzle. It goes on the list. Hey, thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. In case you liked it, just know that every like, comment, and especially every subscribe really helps the channel out. Thanks again.